Welcome back to the Chocolate Academy Mumbai YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn how to make a traditional chocolate brownie. If you love fudgy brownies, this recipe is for you. Let's get started. Let's go through our scale recipe. We have 125 grams of eggs, 163 grams of icing sugar, 190 grams of chocolate, 190 grams of butter, 63 grams of refined flour, 3 grams of baking powder, 40 grams of almond powder, and 3 grams of salt. We will first combine all the dry ingredients and make sure they are mixed well. This will ensure all of the dry ingredients get equally dispersed in the batter. Start with whisking the eggs and sugar together. Side by side, melt the butter and chocolate. Make sure this mixture is not too hot. Once the eggs and sugar have reached a ribbon consistency, pour your chocolate and butter mixture into the eggs. Post that, fold the dry ingredients into the batter lightly. Now that our batter is ready, let's pour it inside our tin, which is lined with aluminium foil. Bake the brownie at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes in a deck oven. To make a crinkle top brownie, remove the brownie tray halfway through the baking. Just tap it lightly and then continue baking as mentioned in the recipe. Once cooled, you can cut the brownie as desired. To finish this brownie, I'm just going to take some ganache and pipe it over the brownie cubes. You can make similar brownies with milk chocolate or white chocolate. You just have to substitute the chocolate in the recipe, melt it with the butter, and follow the same process. Hope you liked watching this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and we'll get back to you. Do subscribe to the Chocolate Academy Mumbai YouTube channel for more such amazing recipes and techniques.